Changing your phone number on AliExpress is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the AliExpress app or website and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name, then selecting account settings or profile. Step 3. Find phone number section. Look for the section labeled phone number or contact information. This is where you can view and edit your current phone number. Step 4. Edit your phone number. Click on the option to edit your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the provided field. Make sure to double check for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a save or confirm button to finalize the changes. You may receive a verification code via SMS to confirm the new number. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number on AliExpress will be updated. Make sure to keep your contact information current for a better shopping experience.